Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 1.3 question number 4. Ruxer painted the outside of the cabinet of measure 1 meter into 2 meter into 1.5 meter. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? Let's solve. Here it is given that length of the cabinet is 1 meter. Or you can say it as breadth. Length is 2 meter, right? Here is given that it is given that right. Here you see, we got this one that the Ruxar painted the outside of the cabinet of measure 1 meter into 2 meter into 1.5 meter. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? Here the length is given as 2 meter, 2 meter, and breadth is given as 1 meter, 1 meter, and height is given as 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter. The question is, how much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? You see, this is the bottom of the cabinet. The bottom of the cabinet is length into breadth, right? That means we will subtract the surface area from the surface area of a cuboid. That is the total surface area, required surface area, right? You will find that required surface area will be required surface area surface area surface area is equal to 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length minus this bottom will be minus subtracted, that is minus L into B. That is we are getting 2 LB minus LB, that is LB, length into breadth plus 2 into BH plus HL. This is the required surface area, right? Why LB is subtracted? Because we have to see it will not paint this bottom. That means you have to subtract this bottom, that is length into breadth. That we are getting now the required surface area is LB plus 2 into BH plus HL. Length is 2 and breadth is 1 plus 2. Breadth is 1 into height is 1.5 plus height is 1.5 and length is 2. Therefore we are getting 202 plus 2 into 1.5 into 1 into 1 is 1.5 plus 1.5 into 2 is 3, right? Therefore we are getting 2 plus 2 into 1.5 plus 3 is 4.5, that is we are getting 2 plus, if we multiply 4.5 with 2, 4.5 with 2, then we are getting 2 5 is 10, carry 1, it is 0, 2 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9, that is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, that is equal to 11, and the answer is meter square, right? How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? Therefore the answer is 11 meter square. That means area of the cabinet area of the cabinet. Therefore, the answer is area of the cabinet, area of the cabinet, area of the cabinet that has to be painted, that has to be painted, has to be painted, has to be painted, has to be painted is 11 meter square, and that is the answer. Let us repeat once again. Here the given the dimension, that is length is 2 meter, breadth is 1 meter, and height is 1.5 meter. Required surface area. The total surface area of this keyboard is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Part C does not want to paint the bottom of the cabinet. Therefore, we are subtracting the bottom, that is length into breadth. Subtracting the surface area of the bottom, that is length into breadth. We are subtracting length into breadth. That is, we are getting LB plus 2 BH plus HL. Therefore, the area of the cabinet that has to be painted is 11 meter square. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.